Hello guys, you're highly welcome back to my channel guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today's your first time of seeing this video on YouTube, my name is Becky. You're highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I just want to share with you how I managed to remove my upper lips naturally. Okay, so the remedy today is going to help you to get rid of the dead cell, and it will help you to remove your hair. This is not turmeric and baking soda. This works perfectly. So this remedy, they use it a lot in salon. Okay, it's home remedy, and it's just 3 to 4 ingredients that we're gonna mix together, and it's going to work effectively. So what this remedy is going to do to your skin, it's going to brighten up your skin. It's going to remove all the dead cells, the dark area, and this remedy is going to penetrate to the hair follicle where the hair bulb is. It's going to penetrate there gently and remove the hair from the roots, and before you could see any hair, it's going to take up to 3 weeks before. It depends how you're hearing. Like me, I'm not a hairy person. For your private area, there's a different temperature. So I have the private area one, the one I make recently. So if you want to check that, if that is what you want to do, you want to remove your private area, go check the previous one for sugar wax. How you can use sugar wax to remove your private area. So this one now is for the sensitive area, how you can use sugar wax to remove hair from your upper lips and your chest. So the sugar wax work effectively. So I'm going to change now. So I'll be showing you how you can remove your upper lips and your chest. Follow my instructions step by step. If this video helped you, and if you are new to the channel, please before you go, click that subscribe button, the notification, give this video a thumbs up and share my video. So let's dive to the remedy. So guys, the first ingredients we're going to be using granite sugar. You can as well get castor sugar. So the second ingredient, we're going to need water. Okay guys, and the third ingredient, we're going to be using lime. You can get lime juice or lemon juice. If it's fresh one guys, you get, they all work the same. Okay, this is less water, and this have a lot of water. Okay, so today I prefer to use the liquid lemon juice. Okay, so I'm going to be pouring my sugar. So I use half cup of sugar. So you have to get the measurements accurately. So I use half cup of sugar. Okay, so make sure you get a good measurement. And for this solution, I will need 1 tablespoon. So we need water. So I actually know the amount of water. So we need 1, we need 2. Okay guys, we need 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, and then we need lime juice. We only need 1. Please guys, follow the instruction. Please just follow the instruction. Okay, I add 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of lemon liquid. So you leave it like this for just 1 minute for the sugar to settle, okay? So guys, here is my sugar after 1 minute, okay? Everything have to be accurate, okay guys, or else it's going to be very hard and it's not going to work, okay? So this is it after 1 minute. All right, so the next thing, you want to put your gas cooker or your electric cooker to number 2. I'm using Hot Points. It depends the brand you are actually using, so I'm using Hot Points, guys. So if it's number 2, you put it to the low temperature. That is number 2. If you are using Hot Points, it's going to be, you are going to put to number 2. So you continue to stirring it, okay? So follow the instruction. You put your gas cooker or electric cooker to number 2. This is Hot Points. I'm using number 2. Thank you guys for supporting this video. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. So guys, you continue to stirring it. You can see the foam, so it's almost ready to go. Guys, you can actually remove it from the stove or gas at this stage, but I always like the golden color. It's ready to go now, but I'll just leave it exactly 2 minutes and I'll remove it. It works. You can remove it right at this stage, okay guys, but I just like the golden color. It's very light gold, okay? This is the consistency you should be looking forward to see. So it's ready to go. Then you have to act very fast. So you get a container. So straight you have to go and the saucepan on a very hot temperature on it. So don't bother, don't worry, this is going to come on. So the water has to be hot, or else you can return it back to the gas cooker, okay? You continue to stir in it, okay? So I'm going to be ready to take the one I want. Very tricky, you need cold water, okay? So don't mind me, you actually need cold water, okay? So you continue until when it's cold. When you know that you'll be able to bear it, you can see it's ready. It's very light gold, okay? So I'm going to be putting it here. So you need a little bit of oil, okay, so that it won't stick. So that's how much. You can get olive oil, any oil you want. So you need that so that it won't be able to stick. So this is actually too much, so I'm going to get rid of small. So guys, so it's going to be cool because this thing is very hot, very hot. You let it, you can see the foam disappear, so you leave it, it's going to be settled and the foam is going to disappear eventually. So this is almost ready to go. So you need a cold water. So without cold water you can't do it. It's going to be very stick and hard like a stone. So I'm preparing myself now to start doing my sugar wax. So this part you really actually have to be very fast. It's very hot, so I'm dipping my hands now into the lukewarm water, into the cold water, very cold water. So that should last me for 3 days. So guys, my hand is wet, it's very cold guys. Okay, 1 2 3, it's very hot. So guys, I dip my hand into this. So it depends how many you want. So I'm going again. So I actually want like three portion of it. So the trick is like you need a cold water, you see. So it's just dip your hand or the sugar himself, the sugar wax inside the cold water, it will do the job. I've tried that, it works the same. Into the cold water, both hand. Okay, so you can do as much you want. It's very hot guys. So guys, here, so you dip your hands, I need to show you guys, you dip your hands into the cold water, as many as you want. Stick to my engagement. So it's going to look messy, but don't worry guys. So I just say, let me show you guys. You can as well put it into the cold water like that. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I've practice make perfect. Okay, that's it, that's just the trick. And see the other one I used to do. This is the sugar wax. You can pour it inside the cold water. Okay, if you are very afraid. So the sugar wax is inside the water. Okay, so you grab it and you continue, either of the two. So practice make perfect guys. You have to just know your method, what is good for you. How will you be able to conquer this trick? The trick is you need very cold water. Okay guys, so you can do the same thing, like just drop all the sugar wax inside the cold water to get rid of the hot. Okay, it's very cold now. So without the cold water you can't do sugar wax. Okay, now you can see, so all right, empty case, the one you know you don't use again. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how we're going to be doing it. So we are going to remove my chest. I've tried as much as possible to do this camera, but it's just do what you want. So the trick is you need oil, olive oil. You can get olive extra virgin oil and a lot of cold water in order for you to be able to manage sugar wax guys. Without that, it's going to be very strong. Store this up to whatever month that is finished. You have to get the accurate, you have to get the consistency. If you don't get it right, forget. Look, it's cold now. So as well, because I'm sweating, so I will need powder. You can get any powder guys you want, so I will need powder. So you need powder. Okay, so that is my chest. So put the water to light. So guys, it doesn't matter how you, this is how I used to do it. I don't have qualification for spa. You can see guys. So that's it. So you want to remove it. So you just press it down. That's how I be doing it, and it worked for me. So guys, as you can see, too much light, it will be sick, you will sick and tired. So this is not working anymore. So guys, like I said, the more hair this thing removes, the less power. So this won't be able to remove anything unless if you want to use it to exfoliate all the oil, dye tester, from your face. So you can see that place is red. It will help you to exfoliate and it will remove all the dead cells. It will light up that place for you. And before I will ever think that I want to exfoliate my hair, it will be 3 weeks. Now no. So I have mirror here. My God. I do not know how to show you. Anybody can do sugar wash, girl. God, look guys, this work, give it a go and let me see. And so just do it the way you are comfortable. You don't have to be a professional before you be able to remove your sugar, wash your face and your chest. Guys, follow the procedures. If this really work well for you, if this really help you to remove unwanted hair and exfoliate your skin, don't forget to click the subscribe button, share this video, and don't forget to click this subscribe button, share this video guys, and stay blessed. Bye for now. So guys, that's it. If you are wondering, you are worried that how are you going to remove the sugar wash from the bowl or from your saucepan, don't worry, just use hot water, run hot water through them and rinse it, or you can use sponge. It's very easy to remove.